A veil of soft, wet leaves blanket the ground, celebrating the end of life in a vibrant dance of color and surrender as they tumble down. For now, shielding the grass from the assault to come, unforgiving cold and burning snow. They will fail, however, the leaves, in their final effort to shield the grass. The dying wish unrequited as the desire of the frosting snow outweighs the fickle leaf and its unending flirtation with the wind. Too soon they depart. The grass is left betrayed. Slumber, renewal. Does the grass know it will be reborn from seed and root? Does the tree know to hold water in the deepest part of its trunk? Do they talk to each other as they sway and bristle in the early morning cold? They do. They know. We must prepare for the great triumph of cessation in hibernation, so we may burst forth again even stronger in the months to come. Listen to their wisdom.